This tutorial will walk you through how to modify the button color in VPCart 9. Firstly, go to VPCart Administration, and go to Website, Design Manager, from top menu. Click Custom tab, and select Content from the section drop-downs. Select the option, Buttons, from subsection drop-downs. You can pick background color and font color of primary or active button and checkout button. To pick your own color, click on the color box, and you will be presented with a color picker pop-up. The pop-up will have HSV panel, sliders, and also swatches color picker. You can also set secondary or pagination button background color and font color from this window. To reset color to default, please click the X button, and then click Save button. Click Save button, after selecting appropriate colors, and then click OK button. The Layout Manager will show preview of the buttons, as shown here. Now go to your front store, and refresh the page, to view the new button style. Thank you for watching this VPCart 9 tutorial.